Hey there! Today we are going to tackle an interesting problem that involves dealing with different classes in Python. The problem we are facing is that we have classes that calculate different positions. One class provides the x position, while the other class needs this x position for its calculation. Passing the x position value in the constructor is not viable as it changes every cycle, and merging all classes into one is not an option. Currently, we are handling it by passing the value each time we call the simulation functions. Let's dive into the solution to this problem. The solution to our problem involves passing a reference to an instance of class X to the constructor of class Y. By doing this, we can access the X position inside the simulate method of Y without needing to pass anything explicitly each time. In the provided solution code snippet, we have class X with functions to calculate and simulate X position, and class Y which takes a reference to an instance of class X in its constructor. This allows class Y to access the X position and calculate the Y position based on it. By following this approach, we can seamlessly update and utilize the positions across classes without manual intervention. In summary, by establishing a connection between the class X and class Y instances, we can efficiently handle the interdependence of position calculations without the need to pass values continuously. This method ensures a smoother workflow and enhances the reusability and modularity of our code. I hope this solution helps you overcome similar challenges in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.